Are you concerned about your heart health? A healthy cardiovascular system is essential for a long and vibrant life. But with today's busy lifestyles and dietary challenges, it can be difficult to maintain optimal heart health. That's where the humble tea leaf can come in. Join us as we explore the power of tea and discover how it can help lower cholesterol, improve blood circulation, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Let's explore the 9 best teas for heart health. 1. Onion tea. Why it's beneficial. Rich in sulfur compounds like allicin, onion tea may help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Allicin can help relax blood vessels, reducing blood pressure and improving circulation. How to prepare. Simmer chopped onions in water until the flavor is extracted. Strain and consume. 2. Ginseng tea. Why it's beneficial. Ginseng contains ginsenosides, which may help regulate blood pressure and improve blood circulation. Ginsenosides can help dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow to the heart and brain. How to prepare. Steep ginseng root in hot water for several minutes. 3. Turmeric tea. Why it's beneficial. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit heart health. Curcumin can help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, reducing the risk of plaque buildup and heart disease. How to prepare. Add turmeric powder to hot water or milk. For better absorption, add a pinch of black pepper. 4. Oolong tea. Why it's beneficial. Oolong tea offers a balance of antioxidants and may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. The antioxidants in oolong tea can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of heart disease. How to prepare. Steep oolong tea leaves in hot water for a few minutes. 5. Garlic tea. Why it's beneficial. Garlic contains allicin, which has been linked to improved blood flow and reduced risk of heart disease. Allicin can help prevent blood clots and improve blood flow to the heart and brain. How to prepare. Simmer minced garlic in water until the flavor is extracted. Strain and consume. 6. Ginger tea. Why it's beneficial. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and may help improve blood circulation. Ginger can help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels and improve blood flow to the heart. How to prepare. Steep ginger root in hot water for several minutes. 7. Green tea. Why it's beneficial. Green tea is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Catechins can help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. How to prepare. Steep green tea leaves in hot water for a few minutes. 8. Hibiscus tea. Why it's beneficial. Hibiscus tea contains anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to lower blood pressure. Anthocyanins can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow to the heart. How to prepare. Steep hibiscus flowers in hot water for a few minutes. 9. Rooibos tea. Why it's beneficial. Rooibos tea is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which can help protect against heart disease. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels and improve blood flow to the heart. How to prepare. Steep rooibos tea leaves in hot water for a few minutes. By incorporating these heart-healthy teas into your daily routine, you can take a proactive approach to improving your cardiovascular health. Remember, while tea can be a valuable tool, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.